Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I'm back with another Temu haul. I told y'all in my last video that I was going to break it down into categories or themes, and so I have done that. So today we are off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of, you know, because I don't want to say it, because I don't know if they'll take down my video, because I don't know about trademarks and stuff with it. But I'll start it off. I have quite a few different things to show you. I have these stamp sets. This one is a Tin Man, of course, and this is it stamped out. Everything stamps wonderful. I have that one. Here's Dorothy. And here it is stamped out. And of course I didn't stamp out every single thing on there, but y'all can get the idea. I thought about coloring them, but that's a lot of coloring for a video, you know, just to show examples. But I did want to at least stamp them out and let you see. Here's the Wicked Witch, and here she is stamped out. Everything looks great. And then here is the Scarecrow, and here he is stamped out. And here is the Flying Monkey, and here he is stamped out. Now, I have everybody pretty much except for the lion, and I have not been able to find it on Temu, but I have one of my subscribers sent me a message and said that she wanted to get me the lion, so she is having it shipped to me, and it hasn't got here yet. But I am going to do a giveaway again, a Happy Mail giveaway, and if it comes before the drawing, I will stamp it and include it also. So my next thing is this embossing folder of bricks. And it's not necessarily, you know, the wizard theme, but it reminded me of the Yellow Brick Road. So I did emboss two of these, and you could ink them up or whatever. And I'll show you my example of what I did with it at the end. So the next thing I have is these dies. And they come like the little girl dies, but is that not adorable? And I did her little shoes in glitter with Toto. Is that not adorable? But I love these, and they was like $1 something each. And there's the whole set. You have to buy them individually. But here's the lion. Is that not cute? Now, I have to say, this is little itty bitty 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 pieces, so I just colored it in. Versus trying to pull each one of them out and glue them on there. I wasn't doing it. Now, y'all might have more patience than me, but, so here's the witch, and all of these, look how cute. I have to say, these are easier than the girls, if you've tried to do the girls. These only have a few pieces in each one, and they're very simply laid out, so it's really easy to put these together. I find these a lot easier than even the girls. So let me lay these out as I go through them. And then we have the Scarecrow. And I've said it before, but I like to print out my pictures of like detailed things like this, so that it's easy for me to know what it is and to refer to the picture to see how it's supposed to go together. But is that not adorable? Okay, and then we have my husband. No, just kidding. We have the Tin Man. That's what I always tell him. I tell him he doesn't have a heart. But super, super cute. I honestly found him the hardest out of all of them to put together, because if you can see on these dies, he has so many different little pieces that goes like here and on his arms and his legs and all that stuff. I did make some of him metallic shiny, and I tried to dull it down a little bit with some distress ink, but it didn't hold very well, so because I didn't want him to be like super shiny, since you know he's old and rusted and all that stuff. Here's Glinda the Good Witch. And these are so simple and they're so cute, but you could totally, you know, if you wasn't using it in this theme, you could use it as a princess, you know, make a different color dress, and you could have, you know, other Disney princesses, things like that. I just think they are super cute. And you know, that's like even for these, you know, you could do these for different things. You could do a zoo page and add the little line, you know, Halloween for the witch. You know, dress up type stuff. You could use it for other things and not just specifically this theme, which is what I'll do, because I only had one thing that was that theme, and it was for Halloween one year, and I've already scrapped it. So this is not from Temu. This came from AliExpress. It was one of the last girls that I got. And I cannot remember, and I didn't go back to watch, if I showed this in the girl video of me putting the girls together. But this one was themed as that, and that it's super cute. So we have all of these die cuts, and this, and then we have all of these stamped images that I stamped out from the stamp sets. And this is going to be my Happy Mail giveaway for this week. So, to be entered for this Happy Mail, hopefully it's all in frame, I want you to leave me a comment and tell me who is your favorite character from this movie, book, ever how you took it in growing up. Which is your favorite character and why? And I have to say, mine is probably the Tin Man. Like I said, just because I like to tease my husband. But, you know, he opened up at the end, and, you know, got a heart anyways, even though he always had one. So, like I said, leave me a comment and let me know who's your favorite and why. And let me show you my layout that I did. This is my layout that I did using the characters. And I used some of my poppies that I made in the other video, since it went perfect. Or I thought it did, since, you know, they went through the field of poppies and fell asleep. And I used my embossed road, you know, bricks for the yellow brick road on here, and I just trimmed it down. I had the same size, and I just kind of, I don't know, drew a pencil mark on the back and made a road to follow. And I inked it up. I don't know if you can, it's not showing up really good on the camera, but I did ink it with a few different shades. I've added a little bit of orange to it, and then I added a little bit of brown, but it really just doesn't show up that well. But this was at a Halloween party we did in 2010, so it's crazy to think 13 years ago. And this is Brooke. She was 2 years old, and that's just something to me, you know. And because y'all see a lot of Brooke on my channel. But look, she was so cute. Now she's big and sassy and mean. But this is the only thing I have in this theme, so I don't know what I'll use them for. But like I said, you know, you could use the characters for other things. I may do some, use them in swaps and all that. But that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment, give me a like, Subscribe if you aren't already. I would love to have you guys come back and hang out with me. And until next time, bye y'all.